So if you're currently asking yourself, should I start an online business using the platform Podia, or should I start an online business using Kajabi? Well, this video is for you, as today I'm going to walk through both Podia and Kajabi, the pros and cons of each, and having a look at different functionalities so you can make an informed decision which one is right for you to start your online business with. So full disclosure, I am a Kajabi partner. I am a Kajabi user. I've used the platform for the last 6 years, but I'm just going to compare what I use Kajabi for and what Podia offer. So again, you can understand which one's right for you, because this is all about personal preference. And stick around to the very end, as I will be making you an offer, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. So here I am inside my desktop, and I've just navigated to podia.com, or you can just Google Podia. And I've just gone to kajabi.com. Again, you can just Google Kajabi. So the similarities of both of these platforms, they are both trying to be the all-in-one platform, so the one-stop shop, so that they're trying to offer you all the tools you need to build an online business. So that is where the similarity aligns between these two platforms. And on the surface, they look very, very similar, but as you'll see as I dive deeper into each of these platforms, they are slightly different. So Podia, your website, your email marketing, all your products under one roof. Some of the features then, it has a website builder, has digital products, community, email marketing, and then some of the other features, online courses, digital downloads, webinars, workshops, coaching and consultations, affiliate marketing, embeds and integrations. Now, this pretty much sounds like what Kajabi offer. Let's head on over to Kajabi. Again, some of the things that Kajabi offer, let's have a look. Some of the creations are online courses, coaching, podcast membership communities, and then managing payments, contacts and analytics, and then growing out websites, pages, emails, funnels, and they have their own mobile app. So I think a couple of things here, like a mobile app, the actual podcast. So some of the functionality is a little bit different, but I think to actually get a better understanding, we have to go into the pricing structure of Podia and then the pricing structure of Kajabi. So they both offer, typically now with a software as a service, there's a pay for the year or pay yearly and then pay monthly. So both services offer that monthly and annual. So annual, Kajabi saves you 20% off if you want to pay for that annual, and then Podia offer 17% off. But what we're going to do is we're just going to contrast the monthly. We're going to have a look at the monthly here for Podia, and then the monthly for Kajabi. So we're going to start with the monthly for Podia. So you'll notice straight away that they have a free plan. Now Kajabi don't offer a free plan. They have done some trials in the past, but currently they don't offer a free plan. But the thing that sticks out to me first and foremost is this 8% fees. Now Kajabi have 0% fees throughout their entire platforms and price plans. But if you're to go to Podia, an 8% fee is applied to the free plan. So this might actually be a good plan for you to start on if you're not making any money yet and you just want to build everything out in the free plan. And then just as maybe you're about to launch something, you can then switch from the free to the mover or the shaker. But I probably wouldn't stay on the free plan if you're making any kind of revenue, because 8% fees, that's not something that you want. You can have a full website, a community, one download and one coaching product. That'll be sort of red flags for me. One is quite limiting. Draft courses, draft webinars. Again, these are allowing you to build out the product in draft. So you will have to actually switch over to the mover when you're actually launching. And then additional email add-ons and optional team add-ons. So it sounds to me like this is a very basic plan. You can have other add-ons and turn them into from draft into a real products. So the mover is $39 a month. Again, so that is a lot cheaper than Kajabi. So the Kajabi plan, the basic is $149 a month, and then it goes to $199 a month. So a lot more price there. So this actually has no transaction fees, a full website, a community, unlimited downloads, unlimited coaching, and unlimited courses. That's pretty good. Unlimited courses and unlimited coaching. Now Kajabi do give you the number of products, but actually, do you need unlimited courses and unlimited coaching? That might be a gimmick in my eyes, but you can have draft webinars, additional opt-ins for email and team, and then chat support. Same with Kajabi, you get chat support on the first and second, like it's 24/7 chat support on the actual growth plan. But on the basic, 0% transaction fees. 3 products and 3 funnels. So may not seem like too much at the moment, but if you have your fully fledged course, like your flagship course, or your community, or a membership function, or even a coaching product, you can actually make quite a bit of money out of just 3 courses. This is what I like about Kajabi: unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, which is huge. There's no limit there. You can just build out as many as you want. 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active customers across one website and one active user, or one admin user. Most popular one that I see a lot of people, and the one that I'm on currently, is the growth. Again, it's 0% transaction fees, but it just gives you a little bit more free reign in terms of products and funnels. 15 products if you wanted to build out more products. Still one website and unlimited landing pages and marketing emails, but then your contacts goes over to 25,000 and then active members 10,000. So for me, it does sound like you actually pay for what you get, and it depends really on your position in business. If you're just starting out, Podia may be a good start for you if you're just learning how this online business fits in. But Kajabi, if you're thinking of a long-term thing, I really do think that Kajabi have a really good look at this, because it's a great investment. One tool for everything. Although that Kajabi said they are the one-stop shop and one tool for all, they're not going to be the best at any one of these functionalities. Just by the very definition, they are encapsulating everything. But the reason I like Kajabi is you only have to learn one tool, which is Kajabi, and then everything is fitted out for you. So let's have a look at some of the reviews. So I like to, if you've seen any of these reviews before, I like to go across to Trustpilot. It's an independent review body, and it's a great review system here for Podia. 4.7, that's classed as excellent. But just note there's only 33 reviews here, so Podia aren't doing a great job of actually promoting this on Trustpilot or getting the reviews from their customers. As you can see with Kajabi, they've got 1,752 reviews and they're 4.6, which is classed as excellent again. So just take the review number into account. 33, again, that's a 4.7, but Kajabi have 1,752. So for that, it's a little bit more reliability with Kajabi, and I would probably wait for Podia to actually get up a little bit more in terms of reviews. So that actually might say to you the size of the user base with Kajabi and the size of the user base with Podia. I know that the user base with Kajabi is up to like 60,000 creators right now and beyond. I couldn't tell you how many Podia have because I don't use that platform. But what I want to do now is, because I've done a little bit of research around both of these platforms, I have heard and read that Podia is great. It is a one-stop shop, but there is limiting factors in terms of the templates, the functionalities, the themes, what you can use in terms of how you put your websites together, how you put your products together. Whereas the Kajabi product actually has so many beautiful themes that you can build out, so many templates you can just start from scratch. And by that rationale, I'm just going to jump on over into my Kajabi account and just show you how I use it for my website. So here I am over in my Kajabi, and all I've done is I've clicked under the website tab and just gone to design. So here you have a dashboard, you have the products tab where you can host all your products, you have the sales where you can make all your offers, marketing which has email integrations, and then listing all your contacts and seeing some of the analytics. But I'm just going to go into the design and customize my system pages and just show you a little bit about how this is really intuitive. It's drag and drop, it's off the shelf stuff. If I want to click preview at any time, I can just pop that out and see what this looks like in terms of a home page. And again, I like to keep things stupidly simple. So I've kept all of my pages really simple, but I'm just going to show you how that actually works inside of the Kajabi. You've got a drop down here, and all of these are your system pages. So you can select any of these pages and then just edit these. Then you can also see how it works on mobile. So that looks really good on mobile. And then you can either undo or redo anything and hit preview. Down the left hand side, you've got your header function, and then you've got your footer function, and then you've got all these different blocks. You can add different sections. and you've got all of these different types of sections that you can add. So basic content, hero content, features, carousels, marketing and events, images, audio, videos, and so on. And you can see that you just literally click one of these, and then you'll see how that looks. Most of mine are just custom blocks that you actually just click into, add a section, scroll all the way down to the bottom, custom section, and then it's a blank canvas. You can then just add that, and then you can add in individual sections in each place. So if I go to 3 benefits here, this is a custom section. I've added some text, and then just three cards here, and then you click into each one, and then you can edit the text in here, edit the style, add any call to actions you like, and see how it looks on desktop and mobile. So what you need to just come back out of that, and you've got settings where you can play with putting the favicon into this top right corner of your window. It's a style guide where you can have all the different colors, where you can actually play about with the different fonts. This is really interchangeable how you want your brand to look. Design tools as well, custom code if you're into your coding. So there's so much that you can actually use just by going into this and just starting to play around with it. If I wanted to have a look at some other themes, I could browse some templates, and Kajabi do a great job in just offering you off-the-shelf templates where you can just click and drag and just actually use any one of these for your online business. Once you actually choose one of these, you can then add to save templates. Then once it's saved to your templates, you can then edit that in the saved area. And then once you're happy, if you wanted to switch it out, you can then just switch, and then you'll make that your live template. So all this is doing now is just installing that theme, and you'll just be able to see it down here. This is a Prosper theme. Again, it's an Encore. And if you wanted to customize this, you could just click here. If you wanted to see how it looked, you can click on that one. And then if you wanted to set to live template, all you have to do is click set to live template. And that's it. You can then see how your website looks and how your landing pages look. You can add your blog here. Like I said, you can add a podcast. These are all the pages that you can add with Kajabi. And to me, this looks pretty slick. And have a look at some of the other people that are using Kajabi just to get an idea of how Kajabi looks. And if you go back to Podia, you can actually have a look, see if you can click on examples for Podia. They've got a few examples here, and then you can read their stories and actually click into their websites and see how they're using the Podia. So effectively, it's down to you what stage of business you're in, how much money that you have to put behind this business venture. If you wanted to start something for free, then Podia might be for you. It might be a good choice for you to actually build out some website pages, build out some products, see how it all works. And if you're happy with that functionality within Podia, then great. If you wanted to actually test out Kajabi, and it's probably a little bit more built out and it's a bit more functional and has more templates and themes, you could actually get a 30-day free trial with my link. This is the offer that I wanted to grant you. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, where I can grant you the free 30-day trial. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public. Yes, this is an affiliate link, so all this means if you do continue over the 30-day trial and be a paying customer of Kajabi, a small part of that payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. But if you end up signing up to Kajabi using my link as a thank you, I'm going to grant you immediate access to a free mini course. It's called Kajabi Unboxed, and it's a course that I've put together for you to actually unbox your Kajabi in the right way. So what you should do first, second, third, and fourth. And then if you do stay around to be a paying member of Kajabi and know it and love it like I do, I'm going to grant you some sales page templates. It's another course. Just reach out to me, show me that you've purchased Kajabi using my link, and I'll grant you another course, sales page templates, where you can literally download these themes from my product and then upload them into your Kajabi account. And it's the sales page themes that I know and love and the ones that I use in my online business. So hopefully that helps. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Hopefully you found value in this video, and hopefully you've got that little bit more detailed information on which one you're going to be starting with if you haven't done already. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.